In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export for Excel in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull your data into a clean spreadsheet you can sort, filter, and share. Start by opening Freshbooks and heading to your dashboard. From here, think about what you want to export. The process is the same idea across the app, but I'll show it using invoices since that's the most common need. On the left sidebar, you'll see the main sections. This menu is your launch point for exports because you begin from the page that holds the records you want. Go ahead and select the section you want to export. In our example, click Invoices to bring up your full list. You'll see your invoice records with statuses, amounts, clients, and dates. This is the dataset we're going to send to Excel. Look toward the top of the page for the More Actions menu. Click that, and in the dropdown, choose Export Invoices. FreshBooks will show you an export panel or dialog. In that panel, click Download Invoices CSV. CSV is the ideal format for Excel because it preserves your data in plain text, which Excel can open instantly and format into columns. Next, you'll be prompted to select a date range. Choose the period you want to include, whether it's the current month, last quarter, or a custom range. Being precise here keeps your spreadsheet focused and easier to analyze. After the dates, select a currency. Pick the currency that matches the invoices you want to report on so totals are accurate and consistent. When your options look right, click Export Invoices. FreshBooks will generate the file. Depending on how much data you're exporting, it might take a moment. Once it's ready, your browser will either download the CSV automatically or show a link. Click your file to view it. If you're using a desktop, you'll typically find it in your Downloads folder. Open it in Excel, and you'll see each invoice laid out in columns like number, client, issue date, due date, status, and amounts. A few quick tips as you review the file. If you see dates or currency not displaying as expected, apply the date or currency format in Excel for a clean view. Keep the header row intact so formulas and filters work correctly. If totals don't look right, double check the currency you selected. And if you exported a very large data set, give it a moment. Larger files can take a little longer to prepare. That's it. You've successfully exported your FreshBooks invoices to Excel.